Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to export a LandXML file from FieldGenius. So what I've got here is the sample project. I've modified it a bit, but what I'm going to do to export this as a .xml file is I'm going to head to the plumb bob here in the bottom left corner, and I'm going to open up my import/export menu here. And from within my import/export menu, what I'm going to choose is the CAD LandXML templates option here. And this may shock you a bit here, but I'm going to choose the LandXML export option here. And you can see here that it automatically chooses where to save my file. I'm going to call this my XML export here, and I'm going to hit save. And then that file is saved in my FieldGenius projects menu. And that is everything for today's video. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or any questions about a totally North American surveying solution, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.